Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to do the kind of second section of the first topic of matrices. This section starts chapter 6. And with 6a, it is essentially all revision. We actually recapped all of these ideas already in chapter 7. If you kind of think of the textbook order, chapter 7 comes after chapter 6. So we sort of recovered it as assumed knowledge. And we also looked at this stuff as well in year 11. This is just solving systems of linear equations with two variables the exact same way we did in 7c. So instead, I'm going to let you guys kind of work through the problems. We should be able to understand and be able to answer the worked examples from this chapter as well as do the highlighted questions. So I just want to quickly just go over example 1, just for those who don't have access to the textbook, just to quickly kind of just peruse through the solutions. Question 1 says, explain why the simultaneous equations have no solution. The reason they have no solution is because they're parallel lines. If we transpose either of these two equations or both of these two equations into y equals mx plus c, we will notice they have the exact same gradient of -2/3. So I have no solution to simultaneous equations when I have parallel lines. For example 2, where I have infinite solutions, it's because they are the same line. You can see if I divide everything here through by 2, or at least if I divide my second equation through by 2, I get 2x plus 3y equals 6. They're the exact same equation that is scaled by a factor of 2. This bit here where they talk about, using parameters and parametric descriptions of the line, we don't really need any of that. You can simply just say the two lines coincide, so all the solutions are points on this line. If you look at example 3, well, this is exactly the same thing we did in the final example of 7c. So if you get a little stuck by this one, feel free to rewatch that video, and then you should be able to answer this without too much trouble, and then go on and answer some of these questions from the actual chapter.